All right, at a restaurant. Yeah, I gotta get up on the roof here. One of the exhaust fans aren't working, or maybe both of them. I don't know. This is how we get on the roof at the restaurant. This is how we get on the roof. I swear I just replaced that big 3-horse motor on that makeup. That one's running. That's running. I don't know. I can't remember if I left any extra belts in here. On. Set it through a belt. Great. Great, I gotta work on it as they're cooking. It's wonderful, smoky. See if I got power. Can't even breathe. Motor's not hot. Let me see if he shut it off at the breaker. No, wait a minute. That power comes from over here, I think. I think that power comes from right here on one of these contactors. Right there. I think that one was tripped. Let's see. Yeah. Tripped the breaker on the ouch. So I think it was this one up top. 650. Let's see, did that cut my amp draw? Yeah, so that top one, 650. It's pulling 650. 6.5. What's this rated at? Oh, I can't see, I'm blind. Actually, we're under amp draw. Our amp draw, wait a minute, is that 2? No, 7.2. We're under amp draw. L260s. Motor looks cocked. Motor looks cocked a little. Maybe it needs a little adjustment. Let's see, what's the other one running? That one's running, shit, 3.8 amps. And what's our big blower running? 9.6. 9.6 in here. These calls at 5 o'clock. I think if I don't remember, I think I had replaced one of these motors. I think it was this one. Why did I just do that? I gotta adjust that motor. Or maybe I need to, oh. Maybe I need to adjust this. Because I think dude, I think I do. I think I need to adjust this because, yeah, dang it. Is that 8 or 5? It's 8. I don't know if it adjusts down anymore. Or if it'll adjust up. They're probably down. Let's see. Yeah, it's down at 8. So I'll adjust it to 9. And I'll do the same thing over here. And I'm gonna have to get some belts because I don't have any 4L260s on the truck. So they'll at least get through tonight. I'll come back tomorrow and get some belts on there, adjust that motor. We set it through a belt, but the belt's on there. Interesting. unless he put it back on. It smells like fish. I'm at a fish restaurant. Fish. Well, that wasn't too bad. Not too bad. All right, let me get out of here. Well, that was uneventful. Basically, it's like 5 o'clock right now. Can't get a belt anywhere. I'm in an area where there's nothing. There's no hardware, no nothing. And even if there was, they wouldn't have those belts. So I just got them up and running. And I talked to the guy that was there, and he said this morning came in, everything turned on, and then all of a sudden it was quiet. Apparently the manager went up there, one of the belts busted. So I don't know if that thing was just, I don't know why it tripped that breaker, if it was just sitting there ripping away, and don't know. So, because he said he went up there, changed the belt, flipped the switch on and off, nothing happened. So usually they only call me when, or only call the company when, hey, I can't fix it. Usually they're pretty good about that, but here it is, 5 o'clock, nothing, got no belts. Luckily we had some spares sitting up there, because usually when I buy belts for that place, I buy 2 of everything, just because I don't want to get stuck like I am now without a belt. So I'll get back there, adjust that motor, because the motor was, you could see it was just cocked a little. I don't know, might have slipped, might have been loose, don't know. We'll get it figured out. Yeah, that was pretty uneventful. Finally I get to go home. So you guys know what you need to do. Hit up the GoFundMe for my son going through cancer, the Zelle, the Venmo, Amazon wish list. Check that out. Also watch videos, that provides me some support. Also like, subscribe, questions, comments in the description, and we will see you on the next one.